So the first thing you want to get is two 2x4 bricks in red. Place them together like this, and in the middle of Muck, you want to place them there, and that one there, like that. Then grab a 2x4 tile in red and 1x4 tile in red. So they move the 2x4 to the back, since it's actually not where it's supposed to go. Alright, next on the list, we're gonna want to get red studded piece, so studs on it, on the end of it, double, and want to place that right there. Next, we're going to get a 1x2 skinny in red and a 1x2 tile in red. Place them on top and put it on the side, like that. Next, we're going to get one of these cool like tile studded skinnies in red. Make sure the stud is on the inside, the tile is facing on the outside. That'll get you a cool overhang bit, just like on the real Muck. Alright, next we're going to get one of these bricks in red with a 1x2 skinny in red on top, and a red Technic friction pin, which will give Muck's arms the friction he needs. Place that there. Next we want a 1x4 skinny in red with a 1x2 tile in red. Place the 1x2 tile in red at the back, and finally attach that right there. That's one side done. Now let's do the other side. Other side is much like the first, so we're going to get one of these bits in red with a hole and a red Technic friction pin there. Get two 1x4 skinnies in red, put them on top of each other, and a 1x2 tile in red. Place that there. Next we're going to want to get a 2x2 brick in red. Place that there. Get two 1x2 skinnies in red. Place them on top of each other and place it at the bottom of that. Finally, get a red ladder and place that on top of all of that to create that assembly. Once you've done that, then all we're going to do is stud it down on Muck to create that little assembly. Now, well, what I'm gonna get, turn these into 1x6 skinnies. I have 1x3 skinnies at the moment, but you get two 1x6 skinnies on top of each other and a 1x4 skinny on top. Since I didn't have them at the time, they were like that, but that's a whole 1x6 skinny, so I have two of them and a 1x4 skinny on top to create that little assembly and put it in the middle right there. We're gonna want to get a 2x4 skinny in red with a 1x2 skinny in blue, then a 1x4 skinny in red, place on top like that, and place that piece right there. Next we're gonna get one of these cool like red curve pieces with a 1x1 red skinny. Place on there and place this little red curve right there. Next we're going to get one of these more longer red arches, and that should fit perfectly over that one, as you can see, like that. And get a second one and place it there. Next, I'm gonna get one of these cool red jumper plates. Place it there. And one of these red brick connection pieces with a stud facing out that way, and a nice curve round tile with an eye print on it in white. And place that like that. That creates Muck's eye, as you can see. His first eyepiece. Alright. Same, much like the first. One of these cool red curves with a 1x1 skinny in red on top. And one there with a red jumper plate on top like that, and same one of these little assemblies, red brick with a stud facing out and a tile print of an eye in white, and we place him there. Now Muck's got 2 eyes. Alright, for here we've got put a 1x6 tile in red, like that, and 2 1x1 bricks in red with a 1x1 red tile on top of the second 1x1 red brick. That, and create 2 of them. Like that. Alright, now time to create Muck's mouth. Muck's mouth is pretty simple. So I want to get one of these red hinge pieces, like that. Then get 3 of these grill pieces. Yeah. And this is a whole assembly. So a cool like double black angled piece. And you want to get your grills. Put one there, and one there. Like that. Right, now face that to the bottom. Grab this angled piece. Make sure the bottom is facing down. And attach that to the bottom like that. Now grab your whole assembly and place it on top of the jumper plates. And then just angle that down as much as you can. And it should look like that on the side. Pretty much. Then finally, to top it off, see there's a gut there, grab a 2x2 tile in red and place right there, like that. Alright, now time for the roof. You want a 2x4 tile in red, another one, then a 1x4 tile in red, and a 2x4 tile in red. Grab the 2x4 and place the end stud. That, as you can see, it overhangs a little bit. Then grab your 1x4 tile in red, place it on the next stud. There. Should look like that. Yep. And then get your 2x4 tile in red, place there, and another 2x4 tile in red, place there. Alright. And that is pretty much all of Muck's body done. I'm not sure if we're going to get to the Caterpillar tracks. Let's see. Alright, so we're going to try and finish the Caterpillar tracks. So grab a 1x6 brick in black. Place that at the bottom.
Sorry guys, actually got that wrong. Grab the 1x6 and place it 2 studs away from the front. That will be correct.
1x6 brick in black. And place it 2 away from the back. Then I want to get multiple of these black 1x2 bricks with the holes through them. Place one there. Like that. Then get 2 more of these. Black hole pieces. Place one there. And one there. Like that. And do the exact same. One. So another whole piece there. Should be 2 in a row, right? Like that. And a second one. Like there. And then finally, another 2 more of those black bricks.
Then with these 2 black bricks, place them in the front where the 1x6 previously was.
One there. I reckon the next part we'll do in pictures, since you'll take quite a while to do in recording. See, I'll just show you a few pictures of how to finish the rest of Muck's bottom. Alright, so now you need to get 4 of these gears and 2 9 long light grey axles. Place one of the gears on the very end and slide it through the black end at the back. And make sure it's about this much spacing between each. Then do the exact same thing to the other side. So slide that through and then make sure it's the same spacing. Next, get 2 more 9 long light grey axles and 4 light grey little stoppers. Then these are all the pieces you need to create this assembly. And they're all in order and create 4 of them. Then slide one of the light grey stoppers down a little bit, about that far, and finally grab your red assembly and place it at the very end. Put 2 of them. Next, here's the mistake. So you take off that, put the 1x6 next to the black bit, then have the black hole pieces with all your gear, with the front gears, and place them at the front. That's what I asked you to create later. Then grab your 9 long axles with the red ends and slide them all the way to the other end. And then slide 2 light grey stoppers on the other side. And put the red bits on the very end of that too. Next you want to get one of these little Caterpillar tracks. 32 each, which adds up to a total of 64. Then make sure the gear is placed in the center of the tracks. Put them all around and connect them on the other end so it ends up looking like that. Do the exact same thing to the other side, making sure the Caterpillar tracks are as close as possible to touching Muck's side. Like that. And there you go. That is the end of part 2 of how to build Muck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!